You say you're interested in buying or selling a home? Well, today's a good day. Our guest, we welcome a long-time Ask the Expert guest, Carol McClintock with FC Tucker MG Realtors. She's the head of Team McClintock. Good to see you, my friend. Mortgage rates, some pretty good news. Explain.
Yeah, exactly. So mortgage rates are now down 1 full percent than they were in February of this year. So now they're hovering at 6 as opposed to that dreaded 7. And what that means is that individuals buying homes at this time that need to have a mortgage, which most people do, right, their payments are going to be less.
Now, okay, and do you sense that we're trending downward, or is this as good as it's going to get for a while?
Well, we think that we will go down a little bit more this year. The Fed is meeting in September. We hear lots. And if you remember, the last time the Fed met and they didn't lower interest rates, remember what happened to the stock market?
Right.
It went way down for a couple days. So that was a message from investors. Come on, you guys at the Fed. We're really expecting you to do something in September.
Right.
So we'll be very surprised if they don't lower them, a quarter of a point, which will mean that the interest rates will then dip probably below 6%.
And of course, as we are here, we got a few months left in 2024. Homes are going up in cost, are they not?
Right, and we were talking about that before we came on. There'll be some that say, oh, I'm going to wait till the interest rates get down to 3% again, like they did a couple of years ago. Well, the opportunity there is you really have to think about what you're doing, because values of homes are continuing to increase. It is the way to build wealth for most Americans, and that is continuing on a positive trend. So if you wait too long for the interest rates to go down, the price of the homes are going to exceed. So it's not really good thinking. You understand why people think that way, but
sure,
they need to balance it all.
But the bottom line, it's a good time to buy a home.
Right. It's still very affordable. Mike, when you and I bought our first homes, we hate to say, it was pushing up to 20%.
Right.
And we all afforded it, and it was all good. And now those homes are probably paid for, and that's how we built some of our retirement to be retirement. So things are trending, I think, in a good positive way. And we do see more homes coming on the market.
Folks, she's got a marvelous team behind her, and they really know what they're doing. Best way to get hold of Team McClintock?
Well, just reach out to us through Channel 14, through your website. We have a website, Team McClintock, and our number is 812-777-5520.
And it looks like it's going to be an exciting year. If things continue, it should be a good year for home buying.
Yeah, absolutely. We're ahead of last year, and we expect to end that way this year.
Again, Carol McClintock with FC Tucker MG Realtors. Carol, as always, thanks for your expertise.
Thank you.
You're welcome.